Hi friends, welcome to the channel. So today we are gonna unbox the PlayStation 5 White Controller. It's DualSense. Okay, so this is the box and its model is CFI ZCT1W. And what are the highlights of this controller? Haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, built-in microphone, signature comfort. Okay, so this one is also PS5 compatible, so we can't use it on the PS4. Okay, so what else do we have? That's it from the box. So okay, so let's unbox it. For this we will have to first remove this chip. We have removed it. Now we are gonna check what's in the box. Okay, okay, let's keep the box on the side and see what else do we have. Now we're gonna open the box. In the box we have the controller. What else do we have? We have its manuals which nobody reads. Okay, these are the manual. So let's keep the box and the manual on the side. Okay, so now let's wrap the controller. So here is a white controller, and what are the features? It has a built-in speaker on it, and it has a Type-C charging port, and further it has two ports here. One is for the microphone and another is for the wireless charging, which we will show you in the next video as well. Okay, so on the back we have this information. Okay, so that's it from the unboxing of the controller. Okay, so let's meet up in the next video for the next few gadgets. Thank you. Bye bye.